What's up, guys? Welcome to the page. If you are new, I am Annie, but if you're not, welcome back. Guys, it's been forever, huh? I'm so sorry. I've had so many DMs like, girl, are you gonna react to Jay anymore? Yes, I promise, but your girl has been busy, okay? I've been a little busy, but yeah, I'm sorry for the wait. I promise there's more to come. It's just my job is very demanding at the moment. I'm a welder. We're building some plants and they have serious deadlines, so they kind of picked up our hours. I apologize, but I'm here today, right? We're here today. We got this. We're about to watch some. So I looked at y'all comments from way back when and again, I'm sorry for this long ass wait. And a lot of you guys recommended When the Rain Stops. So we're gonna watch the official video, and it looks like he performed on like, what's this, 107.5 bus. We're gonna watch that too. So let's just get into it, y'all. All right, let's get it. Let's go.
Sorry if it feels like I'm out of it, I'm a little fucked up. Guess it doesn't get easier like they say that it does.
Every time I hear a song by this dude, I'm like, God damn, why did I wait so long?
Sorry if I owe you apologies, I'm a little backed up. Disappointed some people who gave me nothing but love.
I hear that. Unfortunately, it happens sometimes.
Oh, I'm such a mess, counting up on my regrets.
Pause. Holy shit. You know, I was commenting on the lyric and the vocal just slapped me in the face. Hold on. We got time. We're gonna start it up. Bro, why did I wait so long? Every time, bro.
Sorry if it feels like I'm out of it, I'm a little fucked up. Guess it doesn't get easier like they say that it does. Sorry if I owe you apologies, I'm a little backed up. Disappointed some people who gave me nothing but love. Oh, I'm such a
That, like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn, he had to do it like that, bro. I love that. Oh my God. I'm sorry, pause it. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna keep pausing and replaying this bitch. Oh my God. Yo, he snapped on this. Okay, I'll pause it at 111. Look at that. Look at that confirmation, bro. Okay. Please be patient with me. Holy shit. Okay. All right, let me lock in, yo. Because I was looking at a whole bunch of different stuff. All right. I was over here like the fit, like the task, like.
Sorry if I owe you apologies, I'm a little backed up. Disappointed some people who gave me nothing but love.
Yeah, he snapped on this, bro.
Oh, I'm such a mess, counting up
Oh my God.
regrets. Maybe it's all in my head. Maybe it's all in my head.
Oh my God, bro.
I can feel it follow.
Yeah. Oh my God, bro. Repeat. This song's gonna be on repeat.
Even when the pain's gone, I can feel it haunting.
Oh my God.
And it's gonna kill me.
Ooh. I love that.
Maybe I'm just kind of an animal. Maybe everyone's right. Having trouble believing that I could be a good guy. Quit the bars, but I still gotta do my time.
That was nice. I'm not even gonna try that.
Wouldn't make it
but that was.
Now the best I could do is just stay alive. Oh, I'm such a mess, counting up on my regrets.
Bruh, it's something about that. Jay, bruh, you're a genius. Oh my god. I really want to see him live. I really do. Every time I hear like his voice, I'm like this dude sounds good as hell, bruh. Okay. Shout out to the band. Oh my god. Don't make me throw this mic. I just bought it like yesterday. Please don't make me do it. That was so pretty. Oh my god, that was so pretty. Like, you know when people throw shoes? Oh, I throw this fucking mic, throw my camera, throw the fucking bookshelf. Like, bruh, why do my job take me away from the things that I actually want to do? Bruh, that was so good. And like, I feel like I wish that I reacted way earlier. Holy shit. That was phenomenal. Oh my god, Jay. Dude. Bruh, your voice is beautiful. For real. I'm sure you hear this a lot. Just beautiful. Okay. We're about to watch the 107.5 bus live right now. Oh my god. Oh, right. Let's see how it goes because he's about to do it live. All right. Let's see. Oh, well, ain't y'all blessed? Actually out there. I wish. All right, I'm hyped. Let's see.
Wish 107.5.
Ooh. Strong start.
Sorry if it feels like I'm out of it, I'm a little messed up. Guess it doesn't get easier like they say that it does.
Ooh. I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna love this. I already know.
Sorry if I owe you apologies, I'm a little backed up. Disappointed some people who show me nothing but love.
Now you're showing off, yeah?
I'm such a, I'm in my regrets. I'm all in my head.
Ooh. That was nice.
Even when the rain stops, I can feel it follow.
Oh, I love artists that when they're singing, they perform like this. Like you can tell they're really feeling their music.
It's gone. I can feel it haunting.
Ooh, the way he said that.
It's gonna kill me. Maybe I'm just kind of an animal. Maybe everyone's right. Having trouble believing that I could be a good guy.
Dude, what the hell? I just got chills from that. I don't know why, but I did. That's why I had to look down like, the hell? Oh my god. What the hell? Oh, that was adorable. Oh my God. That's so adorable. No, that was cute. That was cute. And then he just locks in. Pause. Pause. Because that was extremely adorable. And your girl got a little distracted. So we're going to go back a bit. Bruh, not gonna lie. So he doing his thing. Yeah. This is fire. This really is. Down from vocals, performance, like he obviously feels this song because like it's showing within his performance. Just yeah. And I love an artist who like if something happens by mistake or whatever, like they could like laugh it off and it's not like they're mad at themselves and stuff like that. Like perfectionists, you know, like they'll get mad like, oh fuck, I fucked up. But like he just laughed all cute and shit. And then and then right, I'm about to sound like a groupie. Whatever. He just laughed all cute and shit and then just locked in.
Trouble believing that I could be a good guy.
I don't know what it is about that part.
Still gotta do my time. You say oh, but this still wouldn't make you right. Now the best I can do is just stay alive.
Oh my God, talent. Oh my God, bruh. God has favorites. See, like he was feeling it. Cute. Look, you got me dropping shit. Oh my God. Bruh. Now I know why y'all was DMing me so much on this.
Sometimes I wanna die. Sometimes I wanna die. Chuck.
Oh my God, bruh. I'm getting chills. Damn. Why I couldn't be one of those blessed people outside? The hell? Shout outs to the band, okay? For real. They be doing their things, bro. Like, they be doing their thing. Bro, what the hell? What the hell? Bruh. Oh. Sir, Jay, let's talk real quick, yeah? I know you're not really gonna watch this, but let's talk, yeah, me and you. What the fuck, sir? Dude, what the hell? Bruh, beautiful. Oh my God, like, this, bruh. That was phenomenal. That was phenomenal, bro. That was so good, dog. Like, I'm about to send this to my brother because he likes, like, the same kind of music that I like. I'm gonna send him this. Oh my God, bro. I got chills twice. Okay, I wanted to throw this damn mic like 8 times, but I bought it yesterday and I can't afford it to be throwing shit. That's kind of low-key expensive, you know? What the fuck? I don't even know what to say. I'm like kind of lost for words. Like, I'm so happy that I kind of low-key found him while I was listening to Keshi. It was Keshi, right, that I was listening to and that he was on? I'm pretty sure it was Keshi. Oh, J Love, when are you going on tour? Watch, I probably just missed it. Like that'd be my luck, because I'd be so, like, when I'm working, I'm like tunnel vision. I don't really know what's going on in the world around me when I'm working, because I work a lot. So I probably just missed the tour, honestly. Like, why? I'm gonna have to, y'all, leave in the comments below if he's doing any tours or anything soon, because I would definitely try to grab a ticket, like, for real. I don't even know what to say. I mean, he just said it all right fucking there for himself, you know, like, that was beautiful. Everything about that was beautiful. Like, the vocals were on point, of course. Visual, on point, of course. The lyrics I loved, so, like, I really gotta get on it. Y'all are right. Somebody told me I was slacking in my DMs, and girl, you got that. You do. I have been slacking. So, if you guys have any more recommendations for Jay, leave that in the comments below. I will make sure to get on that. I promise I will make sure to get on that in a nice, timely fashion. Not like a whole year, not like 6 months, like a weekend. Like, let me know, and I will make sure to get on it next weekend. Because I think my job's letting us have the next, like, 2 weekends off, and then they're gonna put us back on like either 6/10s, or they're gonna pop us up with 7/10s, which is like 6 days a week, 10-hour shifts, or 7 days a week, 10-hour shifts. And also, let your girl know any news when it comes to, like, touring or anything, because I really, really do want to get a ticket. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that like button, as well as that subscribe if you haven't already, because I have so much content on the way. Like I said, I've been kind of like stacking up on videos. But yeah, so make sure to do that for me. I would really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.